Good morning. This is a recording for Tuesday, July 8th. The Zen story for today is titled The Sound of One Hand. Tetsu had lived in the monastery since childhood, sweeping the halls and copying sutras by candlelight. Though years had passed, enlightenment still eluded him. One evening, as the lanterns flickered in the temple hall, he approached his master. Master, Tetsu said, bowing deeply, I have read every sutra, memorized every teaching, and yet I still don't understand. What is the true nature of Zen? The master sipped his tea in silence. Then, without looking up, he said, Tell me, what is the sound of one hand clapping? Tetsu straightened. That's a famous koan, master, but I don't know the answer. The old man nodded. Good. Come back when you do. For weeks, Tetsu meditated on the question. He clapped his hands together, then tried waving one in the air. He listened to the wind, the rustling leaves, even the hush of falling snow. Each time he returned to his master with an answer. The wind in the trees? No. The hush of silence? No. The absence of sound? The master only smiled. One morning, exhausted, Tetsu sat by the temple pond, watching the ripples spread. A frog leapt into the water, sending waves in all directions. He took a deep breath. There it was. That evening, he returned to his master. He bowed and raised his hand in silence. The master chuckled and poured him a cup of tea. Now you are beginning to hear. Take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to arrive into stillness. Perhaps close your eyes and take a nice, satisfying breath in and out. Feel the breath entering your nose, cool and light, and then feel the warmth as you exhale, releasing tension, allowing you to soften a bit. There is no need to change anything. Just observe and notice the space around you, the quiet spaces between sounds. Be here in this moment just as it is. And when thoughts come, let them pass, like clouds, like ripples, like water. And now take a moment to reflect. Are some questions meant to be answered or simply experienced? Are some questions meant to be answered or simply experienced? How do you listen to words, to silence, to the space in between? How do you listen to words, to silence, to the space in between? Now bring your hands to your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of the practice, as always, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with these reflections. And I encourage you to check our private circle group for practical moments of Zen you can play with. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Tomorrow is Wednesday with Lorna's breathing practice. So have a lovely day, and I will see you on Thursday.